A very fresh and warm good morning to all of you. Here we are going to start our first lecture of class 9, chapter 1, Introduction to System. Now, in the part of introduction of computer system, we will discuss about what is computer, what are things it contains, basic architecture, input, output, device, IPO cycle, types of computer, advantage, disadvantage, characteristics, and many more things. This is the first part. You will get multiple parts. Now let's start. Definition. The word computer. Actually, this word was coined from Latin word that means calculation. And we all know the computer was designed for calculation. It's an electronic device which works on data. It used to process the data with the help of processors. We have many more things to discuss. Now let's move for the next slide. Now, the major components of computer: hardware, software, data, and user. User are the person who used to operate, where the hardwares are the tangible or physical parts of computer. You can say mouse, keyboard, monitor, etc. Software, the intangible part or a set of instruction which tells what to do and how to do. Data. Data are the raw fixed figure numbers, etc. which are processed to get a proper result. This is IPO cycle. Now here you can see input device from which we are inserting an input to the computer system. Then processors, what other input has been given, it's been held by memory. The memory used to process or to pass it to the storage device as per the requirement, and after processing the data being passed to output device. This is IPO cycle, means what are the input will be given, will be processed with the help of processors, and the output will be provided. Talking about input device, it's a component, it's a set of components, set of devices which instruct the computer. Means with the help of input device, a user can instruct computer system like keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital camera, digitalizer, trackball, joystick, and many more. Talking about output device, what are the data, raw facts and figure being processed, the information. जब हम लोग raw facts figure को process कर लेते हैं, what are the raw facts and figures being processed, we used to get a output, processed data, be shown by this output device. It is of two types. It used to give the output in two types. First one in soft copy format and in hard copy format. Talking about output device, monitor, printer, plotters, and many more we have like speakers, etc. Now storage device. We all are familiar. Nowadays we are using pen drive, memory card, hard disk, and many more things which used to transport the data from one location to another. Okay? Now we are also using cloud storage. So CD-ROM, RW, these all are part of it. Just talking about system unit, means major components of computer. Just CPU, the word we use CPU. CPU have few things like motherboard, which is also known as main circuit board or main board, by which all the input-output devices are connected directly or indirectly. Processors, a set of integrated circuit which is divided into two parts, that is control unit, arithmetic logical unit. It used to process the large amount of data. Instruction, used to work on the instruction, control the instruction, and perform the logical arithmetic operations, and used to get the result. Talking about memory, the memory is of two types, primary and secondary. Their primary memory, RAM and ROM, and secondary memory, your hard disk and other storage devices. We will discuss about that in the next coming video. Now just talking about types of computer, here we have supercomputer, mainframe computer, microcomputer, desktop, laptop, handhelds. These are the types of computers. We have many more things to discuss about this. This we will discuss in the next coming video. Moving further about advantage of computer. Computer, it can store information very fast, audio-visual ads, better presentation, access to internet, and right now, with the help of computer, the handheld mobile phones, you are able to view this video. Means these are the benefits of computer system. Now we're just talking about limitations of computer system. So computer system are dependent on power, dependent on instructions, no feelings, no self-care assistance. These are the limitations of computer system. Just talking about the characteristics of computer system. So automatic, we are knowing about it. Like your washing machine, it's a part of computer. Speed, accuracy, intelligence, versatility, power of remembrance, no IQ, no feeling. Means these are the features which being pulled by computer system. Now one by one we will discuss about the features. First one, automatic. A machine with set of instruction. Whatever instruction being processed, means inserted, instructed to the that machine, it used to finish that particular job. Means if you are going to ask your washing machine to take a rotation for 2 minutes and you have just given the instruction, it will keep rotating till the instruction is being processed by the user. So this is what we can say, a computer is a machine being instructed by the user and used to perform the data accordingly. Speed. If you will compare your computer system with a human, calculation. So you can find that your computer is much more faster than a human calculation. Even you cannot measure the speed because computer speed is measured in nanoseconds, microseconds or smaller units. So it is not easy to measure the speed of computer system, but for calculating, for doing large amount of tasks, we are using computers. Accuracy. Now talking about the accuracy, have you ever checked that the result given by calculator is correct or not? If you are going to do a large calculation and if you will do on your hands, you will cross check it twice. But while doing it on calculator, we used to trust that whatever the result has been achieved from that calculator is correct. So we know what are the data being processed by the computer system is fast, accurate. That's why we are using it, and that is the only reason why these computer systems are familiar and getting closer to us day by day. Talking about one more characteristics, intelligence. As human, if we are going to attend this 13-20 minutes online class video, we will get bored, but computer will not. The machine will not. Machine will never ask for the money. Machine will never get tired. These are the benefits which we used to get from computers. Talking about versatility or power of remembrance, you know computer have large amount of data. Yeah, you can say hard disk to remember the things as your mind have, but computer have in the format of storage device. Now versatility. It used to perform its job in a very efficient manner. It never used to say that I will do the task tomorrow. It used to do the task logical step by step in the proper order and manner. Talking about no IQ and no feeling. These are the limitations, but we can say somehow it's a plus point for the computer system. These are the basic characteristics. Means the computer system is just, we were discussing what are the instruction being given, means the main important thing which is required for the computer system is your command, instruction. It will work on your command, instruction. It don't have IQ that it can perform the task without any instruction. Means if you're not going to instruct the computer system, it will be idle. Khali rahega. If you're not going to perform any of the tasks, means all the computer systems are dependent on the instruction, have no feelings. As you can see, the bots, the robots, they don't have any feeling, they don't have hurt. Okay, they do not show any of the guilt. What are the data you have entered? As we have read, garbage in, garbage out, no guilt. Thanks for watching the part first video. Soon we will meet with the characteristics, the features, and many more things about the computer system. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you all.